Hello, this is Tom with RES Equipment. We manufacture little Shakees out here on the West Coast in Oregon, and I'm going to repair a little Shakee here today. Try and take some things apart and show you what to look for, and hopefully this will aid our customers in repairing these themselves, or possibly help the mechanic that they choose to repair these things. They've been around a long time. Some of these I think are 25 years old, if not longer, and they're a shaker, so they shake themselves to pieces and got to be repaired from time to time. So hopefully this video will be educational, show everybody some tricks, and keep everybody's shaker running as long as possible. So anyway, I'm going to start out here. We're going to pull the cover off. This one here was built in Oregon, Illinois, whereas we're out here in Oregon. So anyway, kind of funny. It's moved around. It started in Oregon. It started in Illinois, went to California, and now it's here in Oregon. So anyway, here we go. I'm going to pop the cover off. We'll take a look inside. Off of there. Of course, there's a tough one. Set that down for a bit. There, that was a hard one. That was a real tough one. Had to break it free with a wrench. But here we go. See what we got in here. Lots of needles, which is to be expected. Pretty typical. Lots of rust, lots of needles, lots of abuse. Got a retaining belt kind of worn out. Turns rough. The air bulb for this customer had malfunctioned at some point, so they took a looks like an air bulb for a primer bulb for a marine tank, which is a great repair in a hurry. You can find that in a hurry just about at any sporting goods store. So there it is. So this one just sounds rough. Looks like it needs some bearings, a retaining belt, slinger. Anyway, this customer just asked us to get it in fresh shape, and that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to get some tools ready. I'm going to hit pause here, get some tools ready, and show you the next step. Our next step is going to be removing the tower, and that's always a chore. Getting these 4 bolts off the bottom can be real tough. They're put on very, very tight, and now they've been on there for 15 years or so, and they're rusted and hard to get off. So I'll get some tools ready, and I'll be back in a bit. Thank you.